What's this town called? What's the name of the town? Is it
It's not a town. It's an area. Like it's called Neos Meely.
Neos Meely? What's interesting about the town?
Not much, I would say. This is the square.
Yeah.
Where you can find all the shops and
Okay.
coffee shops and things. And then there's also this large park that we like that way.
How do you pronounce it again?
Nea
Nea.
Smyrni.
Nea Smyrni. Okay, this is Nea
There's a
Smyrni.
town in Turkey called Izmir. Do you know it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's called New Izmir
It's called New Izmir.
because people from there kind of traveled here and.
Oh, do you mind if I get you on my YouTube channel to explain to me about the town?
Actually, I am a student and I have a lot of homework to do, so I don't really have time.
You sound British.
Do I?
Yeah.
I'm Greek.
You Greek?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have an accent.
Thank you.
That is not good. You lost the. I've spoken to a lot of Grecians who speak English, but you have a different accent to
Oh,
it.
thank you.
Yeah.
I'll take that as a compliment.
Yeah, how did you learn English?
Well, at school.
At school,
Yeah,
okay.
it's essential.
Oh.
10 million people. And
Okay, yeah, all right. And you live in Europe. And because Greece is in Europe, member of the
Yeah.
European Union, so it helps to speak
No,
English.
Britain is not. Like the UK is not.
Yeah, Britain. Yeah, that's a different story.
Are you from?
I'm
the
from
UK?
Washington D.C. I did go to school in UK though.
Okay.
I went to college in UK, but then I live in Washington D.C. now, and I have a YouTube channel. So I'm just trying. I like to get out of from where the tourists go to see where the people live.
No, tourists don't really go here.
I know. That's why I'm
Yeah.
here. I don't like going just where the tourists go.
So are you going like?
I'm gonna make my way on the tram all the way to the Athens River area.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that's the plan.
So like in the center or
And
beach?
go all the way down to the beach. And tomorrow I'm just gonna come down to the beach.
The beach is really nice.
Yeah.
There's a place called Fleecebush.
Fish bush.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's really cool.
Okay, I'm gonna try that tomorrow.
I mean-
Tomorrow I leave tomorrow, so tomorrow I'm just gonna concentrate on the beach.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'm gonna try this place you told me.
That's the square.
That's the square.
And then that way, the next stop from here
Yes.
is a huge park.
Okay.
Not as huge as Central Park. No.
I didn't
Right?
think so. Central Park is a big park. Yeah.
But quite big.
Yeah.
That's-
What's your name?
My name is Helen.
Helen. My name is Sonny.
Oh,
my
nice to
channel,
meet you.
my channel is Sonny's Travel Adventure.
Sunny's Travel Adventure.
SONNYS.
Got it. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm gonna subscribe actually.
Okay, appreciate it.
Yeah, 'cause
Thank you.
yeah. Enjoy.
You too. That was nice. Let me check out Helen's recommendations. She says there's a big square here, and then she was pretty close to the camera, so I hope yeah, this is the town that was started by refugees in 1922. Smyrni. She says there's a town in Turkey with the same name, but this has new in front of it. I think that's supposed to be a fountain. She sounded so British, but she says she's Greek. Nice to be able to talk to the locals. This looks like a big restaurant square. Don't look like they opened yet. It's almost 4 o'clock down here. There goes the cat. They got a lot of cats around Greece. Hi, how you doing? A lot of people speak English. She just told me why. She said they have to learn it in school. No wonder. This is interesting, like a restaurant park. Nothing's going on yet. It says there's a real park down the other end. I'll see if I can get it. Try and make my way to show where the real Grecians live. This is far removed from the tourist area. Smyrni. Ah, there you go. The restaurant's functioning. They have food. Yeah, that side of it is kind of dead, but this side of it, there's a lot happening. If you want the really reasonable food, the food is reasonable everywhere in Athens. You come out to places like this out of Athens and you get good food. I'm not hungry just now. I had a big breakfast. Nice, interesting neighborhood. Oh, they have a McDonald's here. I haven't seen too many of those around. That's a fat pigeon. Wow. That's a lot to eat, I guess. Needs to exercise. It's a grocery store. So if you're in town, if you're in Athens, take the tram and just get out of the tourist areas. This town is called Smyrni, or Nea Smyrni. This seems like a main street here. There's a Marks and Spencer. Well, if you like this video, I'll end this video at the corner showing this town, and I'll get on the tram and try to see what the next town is. Heading to the Athenian Riviera. Alright, I'll end the video on this stretch. This is the other end of where I was on earlier on. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel.